So today, this video is gonna be about the the huge storm. So I know I said that I was gonna do a video of the second part of the grocery store, but I decided not to. Sorry you guys, but maybe next time. Okay. So let's start. Okay, kids, I know we just got back from the shop, but we need to go out a little. Oh, right, we're in the snow, kids. Let's buy some, clothes. We're not cold. Yeah. Okay, I guess I'm buying clothes. I said we have to give them something in this box. So let's give them something of ours that we bought today. Let's see. Let's give them this. No! Okay, kids. This. Oh, fine. Kids, you're fine. What even is this? Ooh, goosey. Sorry, guys. Okay. Yeah. No, I don't need it anymore. And we don't need that movie set either, so it's fine. Kids, we're at the babysitter's house. You know what? Let's just stop by and say hi. Oh, what do you want? Oh my gosh, my grandkids. Yeah, I'll take them. No, sorry. We were just stopping by to say hi. Now, never mind. Go back. Lock the door. Sorry, kids, about that. Wow, kids. Everything's so cool, kids. Alright, let's just get everything in the whole world, kids. Sorry, I keep saying kids. Alright, that does make sense. Okay, let's go, kids. I don't know why I'm saying kids. Okay. I don't even want to say kids anymore. Okay, let's go. Okay, kids, we're home. I'll take the grocery bags. You guys can go anywhere. Okay, let's go inside this. Okay. Let's play with our horses. Okay, follow me. And kids, you guys can go upstairs. Just don't bother the neighbors. You can run around, but be a little quiet, okay? Mommy, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, Mom. Okay, let's go, sis. Okay. Oh, those kids are adorable. Oh, hi, your job is over. You can go now. Oh, thanks. I mean, I can stay for a little longer if you like. No, I know you have other clients. It's okay. Thanks. So glad he's gone. I just want him to get out of here. I mean, he is really mean to my kids, so I can't say worse. Finally, we got more food for the fridge because we never had any. Like you guys, I was serious when I said we never had any. So, yeah, you guys. Okay. Throw that away. Sloth simulator. Oh, the China doll. Potato chips, junky food for them. Junky food. That they should not be having, but I'm a good mom and I let them have junky food. Okay. Anyway, time to do some work on my laptop for my work, because you guys know I'm a teenager. And plus, it's getting a little chilly. I'll put this on. Okay, let's get to work. And put some cream on my hands. Okay. Okay, Sissy, we should stop now. Yeah. We got ourselves tired. We can play later. Yeah. Let's talk. Okay. I'm gonna make dinner for them. And you guys, no, I did not forget about the tornado. It's happening soon, you guys. So yeah. Do we have plates? Do we have plates? No, we don't. That's okay. Okay, I'll wait for that to cook up. I'll put a face mask on while I'm waiting. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, well, that went away. Okay. Oh, Sissy, is it just me or is it getting really chilly and foggy? And there's that gray swirly thing over there. Sissy, that means there's a tornado. Oh no, run! Mommy! What, girls? Your dinner is cooking right now, and I was doing a face mask, kids. Well, Mommy, it's more important than your face mask. What is it, girls? There's a big swirly thing outside, and it's raining, and it's really foggy. Girls, that is a tornado. A tornado? What? Yeah, girls, that tornadoes are very bad. Are you serious, girls? If you're playing with me, it's not funny. Yeah, we're serious. Yeah. Okay, girls, it's okay. Oh, yeah, you're not lying. And it's like in the evening, and it's really dark, and it's that swirly thing you guys were talking about, aka thunderstorm or tornado. Okay, kids. Okay, hold the dog. We need to grab all of our pets, all of our family members. Oh no, where are the babies? Oh no. Oh right, they're in Sissy's room. Okay, girls, get changed into something really comfy because we're gonna be in the basement for a while. Okay, Mom. Okay, girls, quick, please, kids, because we need to go tell Sissy and stuff because they don't know, girls. Okay. Get your plushies, especially because it will not be fun, let's just say. Okay. And you guys might be sleeping down there. But it's okay, girls. Okay, come on, girls. Oh no, where's my teenager daughter? Oh no. Teenage daughter. Oh, she's right there. Okay, I don't care what you need to unpack, teenage daughter. Honey, grab all the kids. There is a big tornado. Oh no, Mom. Are you serious? Yes, I'm serious. Now, get dressed because there's a big tornado. So get dressed in something comfy. You know, honey, this has happened to us before. Yes, I know, Mom. Mom, this is like really scary, you know. Honey, of course I know that. No, don't put that in bed. Oh, okay, I'll get all the kids. Should I get them with their carrier? I don't care, honey, just get them, please. Do I come, Mommy? Of course, honey. Come on, hold the baby. I know you're not like really meant to hold babies, but you need to right now. You guys, sorry, there is a big tornado. Yes, we know. Yeah, we know. Okay, girls, come on, get in the elevator and go to floor 1. Because girls, let's just say we're in trouble because we could get killed. So that is why, we're gonna be careful, very, very careful, very. Hey, don't hold my child. My child. I don't want anyone to hold my children. My poor children. Okay, you guys party in there or something. Party. Okay, just pretend these people aren't even here. Okay, honey, there's a big storm. Sorry, you already know that. Okay, hold. Okay, girls, come on. I think I got all the pets. I'm not sure. Honey, I know I just busted into your room out of nowhere, but there is a huge storm if you didn't see. Oh, no, I was busy watching TV, Mom. Well, honey, you know the drill. This has happened before. I know the drill, Mom, man. Okay, I just want you guys to get into something comfy so it'll be more safe. Now, kids, this is supposed to be the most safe thing. You're supposed to stay in the kitchen. Don't freak out, kids. It's okay. Nothing bad is gonna happen. It's okay. So don't freak out, girls. And boys. Mom, you expect me to freak out? Hey, I'm a teenager. I don't care, honey. Oh, grab the other pets in there. Like, grab Fluffy. Okay. Guess I'll grab Fluffy. Where's my other one? Where's my Doge, Mom? I don't know. You're supposed to take care of your Doge, not me. Oh no, Mom, I lost my Doge. I don't care, honey. I don't care if you lost your Doge. Now, everyone, be calm. I'm gonna stand here. I'll stand here. Okay. Kids, it's okay. Be calm. Be calm. Okay, kids. Ruff, ruff. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, kids. Now it's an earthquake. We gotta go in the bathroom. That's the safest place. That's what they say. Okay, everyone, in. Boom, boom, boom. Oh no, kids, all electricity went out. That means that we have to go to a hotel. This place is not safe at all. Everyone get in someone's arms. Is everyone in arms? I mean, the little kids. Yep, everyone's in arms. Okay, kids, just follow me. Follow me, kids. Come on, we gotta go. Okay, kids, we're heading there. And right when we get there, everyone just, like, hide under things. Okay, kids, we're here. Everyone, get in the line, please. I need to do our check to make sure we have everyone. No one we call people. Okay, Emily, here. Delaney, here. Ellie, here. Spike. I meant Roger, not Spike. Okay. Jake, here. Last but not least, because I do not need to call the babies. Forgot your name. Sophia, yeah. Here. Okay. Kids, just hide under stuff, or at least hide. Do not be close to a window, and then you guys will be good. Okay. 3 people hide in here. 2 people hide in here, and the rest hide in here. Okay. 3 people. Or at least have 2 ground people. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Then I said 3 in there. And then I said the rest in here. Okay. It's okay. You can just sit down, honey. It's okay. Say, okay. Sit farthest away from you know what. Okay. Doggy will sit here. Okay. It's okay, girls. It's okay, we just gotta lay down, babies. It's okay, sisters. Just hop in the bathtub, even though you're not actually taking a bath. Just hop in it. It'll be as safe as possible. Ooh, we'll hide here. Okay. Bye, you guys. There will be a part 2 tomorrow. So, yeah, bye.